Stay back there.
Yeah. I'm not.
You can take. Can you stay at that side?
I'd rather just stay right here. It's fine.
Well, I'm telling you to move, or you're gonna get arrested. Because
Really?
of a crime scene right now. Move over to that sign.
Where
right now.
can you put up tape if there's a crime scene? Well, don't put hands on me. Don't put hands on me. Don't.
Move back.
Hey,
Stand right.
don't
there
walk
with
in my
this
path.
gentleman. Stop.
You could be a little bit nicer. You could be a little bit nicer. I want your supervisor here now.
Hello YouTube. On today's episode of Know Your Rights, we will be covering a video from the YouTube channel Breaking the Flaw. Please take a moment and head over to his YouTube channel and show him some love by subscribing to his channel. Today's video took place on January 28th, 2021 in Manchester, New Hampshire. The auditor was out on the streets and came across a bunch of police officers working some type of incident. Within moments of walking up on the scene, the auditor is aggressively pushed back by the supervisor on the scene. While the auditor is filming the police, he runs smack dab into a bunch of bootlickers. And boy, oh boy, does the situation end up going off the rails from that point. Now, let's dive right into today's video and break down this footage.
I want your supervisor now. Well, I want your boss. I want the chief here then. I want the chief. You don't do that. You don't approach people, try to put hands on. That's disgusting. You're a disgusting person. Name and badge number. Wow. Guys, see this? They're escalating. You're supposed to de-escalate. Right? De-escalate. You're just escalating right to arrest. That's disgusting. I hope you don't take those orders, because then you'll be breaking your oath to the Constitution as well. Holy cow, instant threats of arrest, trying to put hands on, guys. Hit the like, share this right now, guys. And do not call the Manchester PD, whatever you do, don't do that. Because he's the supervisor, guys, supposedly. We had no intention of interfering. That's not what I do, right? And he was just about to put hands on. Do you guys have his name and badge number for me, please? Have your name and badge number. Well, you're taking orders from him right now. You're enforcing his threats toward me and the violence he almost committed. Oh, absolutely he did. Absolutely. And yes, yeah, and he almost put hands on. I don't want anyone touching me. You guys are here for a call because someone put hands on another person. You're going to put hands on me? I'm just here to film. You know? So I want your name and badge numbers for taking his orders. I want to know.
Officer Smith, 218.
Okay, thank you. That wasn't that hard. I'm sorry there's something going on, but that's not my problem, and I don't need some thug trying to push me around. You know, you could just arrest him for what he's doing to me, because you'll be witnessing it, but you weren't here to witness this. That's why you're not arresting anyone here now. It's unbelievable, guys. Unbelievable, guys. Can you believe that? Can I get an apology? Can I get an apology?
No.
Name and badge number.
Illinois, Lincoln 1.
Now, last time, apology or I'm going to file a complaint against you.
Sir, I asked you to stand behind the sign, please.
No, you didn't say that.
I did say
You're just trying to escalate. That's all you're doing. You're here to de-escalate, and all you do is escalate. You're just trying to find things on other people.
Stay behind that sign.
You're ridiculous. Guys, he wants to stay behind this sign right here. Put some tape up. Put some tape up. Crime scene, put some tape up. Thug. Thug right there, guys. Wicked thug right there. Disgusting pigs, guys. It was fine. Everything was fine. I was fine with the guys across the street. They had no problem. Then I come over here. The girl starts coming at me. Don't de-escalate her. No, no, no. Let's try to put hands on the guy with the camera. Yeah. Yo, these bloosh bags want to have a good time. There she is, guys. She just whacked my camera. Have a good night. Have a good night.
Yo, he's doing his job.
He's protecting you like a real.
Oh, yeah, right. Yeah, right, man.
Do you even have a
dumb are you? How dumb?
Sir, you're in tax.
These two guys threatened to kill me. After my camera out of my hand, you stupid.
I'm a.
You're aware of the situation. She whacked my camera out of my hand, then I called her. Watch that. You're a
Yeah, I don't want to.
I like this guy. He's a de-escalator. He's a de-escalator.
Sir, but I don't think it's fair for them to be called. I don't think so.
To America.
No, I'm not. I'm not trying to.
Hey, not for nothing. This guy right here threatened to kill me. That guy right here threatened to kill me. And then this girl right here came up and assaulted me. Actually, no. She whacked my camera out of my hand, and then I called her a. You're just as stupid, you stupid. You're just as stupid. You're just as stupid. Shut the.
I think it's very derogatory for you.
It is, but welcome to America. Hey, she assaulted me. What do you think of her now? You want to hang out with her? You're going to be friends with someone that assaults random people? Yes, he threatened to kill me with hand gestures. He threatened to kill me out here.
Is your camera broken, sir?
It has some damage right here. Right? And I'm gonna, it still works. It's still functioning. Yep.
It's not broken?
No, it's not broken. I'm not gonna press charges. I don't do that. I don't do that. You're lucky I don't press charges because I don't. I'm not a status cuck like these rest of these people here, okay? Status cuck. I don't believe in statism as a religion. When you assault other people, you're trying to rule over others. That's not how America is. That's not how society should be. Move on. I'm not the one who assaulted someone. You're gonna call me a clown? She assaulted me and knocked my camera out of my hand. You grow up. Have some rational thought for once. Hey, how you doing, man? Hey, can you give me the name of the lieutenant that was on scene with the previous call here?
Yeah, I can't. You should have asked him.
All right.
See, I shaved my mustache, though.
Yeah, that was a few months ago, right? Yeah, I like it. Yeah, he's pretty decent. I'm able to have conversation with him, and I've met him before. He's pretty good. You too, man. Look at that, guys. All these cops showed up because that stupid girl who believes in statism, that believes in the police, assaults me, and guess what? The police show up, and the police put her in place because that's what happens, right? When you believe in statism. And here's the blue bags. All right, dude, I cannot stand the smell of leather from their breath, so I am out.
Well, YouTube, I hope you liked that video. And please remember and go over and check out Breaking the Flaws YouTube channel and show him some love by subscribing to his channel. If you like this video and you want to see more videos like this one, please consider subscribing to my channel. Also, if you have a video you would like me to break down, please submit the video to knowyourrightsnews@gmail.com. The link is in the description below. Until the next episode of Know Your Rights, you stay safe out there.